Hey guys, it's Rick and Elijah Tooling. Give me two. I will make it worth your while. Today, I'm standing in front of our shipping tables. I'm in the shipping department. And I wanted to talk to you about a concept that we came up with several years ago now, which we call the kitchen chef. I'm not the kitchen chef, but I'm going to act like the kitchen chef today. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, I thought they were a manufacturing business. You are absolutely right. We are. We do work holding. And repeatable, precise, rapid setups. So why do we need a kitchen chef? Well, the term came, we kind of borrowed it from Cheesecake Factory. And what Cheesecake Factory does is they have a person that they assign this task, which is to look at every single plate before it goes out to the customer. They look at it, they check to make sure what's on the plate is exactly what was ordered, and they check to see whether it's the right thing. In essence, this is a type of quality assurance. Well, we thought that was a great idea. So even though we don't have a kitchen or a chef, we do have a KC. And so today I'm just going to kind of very rapidly go through some of the steps that our KC does. And I would like to, I hope, give you a sense of the security that you can get by working with us. You're going to get the order that you made because we're double checking things as we go along. Now, another element to this, another layer, is that we're ISO certified. Actually, AS9100, which is, for aerospace type suppliers. So it's another designation, a little bit higher on the totem pole as far as that type of certification. But regardless, this plays a role. Because with the AS9100, if you have returns, then you have to say why they were returned. And you have to make it a problem for the organization that has to be solved. In our case, this is how we solved the problem before it ever became a problem. So we've got an order here. It's getting ready to go out. We've marked out the names. Of course, we're not going to disclose who's getting this order. But what we do is we go and we look at this work order. First of all, certificate of compliance. It's right here. It's been stamped on the administrative side. Basically what that means is somebody reviewed the purchase order, and when they were inputting the work order, they made sure that it complied. So you can see the signature here and the date. And then the kitchen chef is going to just go down the list and determine whether everything is as it should be. So for example, this is a tube of our work holding fasteners. She or he is going to take a look and go, okay. They're not looking at the tube, by the way. They're looking at the part. What's the part? What's the number on the part? Ah, that matches the number on my sheet. Excellent. Excellent. But we can also check the instruction sheets. Do they match? Is this the instruction sheet that goes with that fastener? So then of course we're going to count. In this case, we count by fives. Our tubes are 5. So you can see there's about 500 there. Actually, it's not about because, there's the number. Check. We got exactly 500 there. And then in this particular order, we've got 6 screw kits that are going out. I don't see them, but, another box. And in the box, screw kits. Now you can see that another feature of our shipping is that we are more than happy to label these things as our customers specify so they get to the right departments or wherever they're going inside your plant. Of course, the added bonus of candy. You know, we've had lots of people that love that about us, and we love doing it. Anyway, so we've checked down this list. We've also checked the shipping documents. In this particular case, we're going out of the country, so there's another set of documents that are involved. International, of course. And so we go down the list, we check the parts that are on it, we check the quantities, we check the specific item, and then we have this beautiful stamp. When you receive the product from us, you're going to see a packing list that has this stamp on it, which means that it says AS9100 Rev D certified and approved. So I'm going to signature it, and I'm going to put today's date on it. You're going to see that on every order that you receive from us. And then we also have the certificate of compliance. Of course, we had it on our work order. We've already proved this. But now the kitchen chef is going to verify that this is in conformance to the work order. The work order is in conformance with the purchase order. So we're going to signature that, put the date on here. Now, and only now, is our order ready to go. Well, I hope that that's been instructive for you. We're trying to be an organization of excellence so that you never have a problem with our products or our orders, ever. Till next time.